Hey guys, this is Ash at Audio 46. Okay, so today I will be trying out Sivga P2 headphones. So these retail at a very reasonable price for Planar magnetic headphones, and I'm always down to, look for good headphones with good price. So I'm super excited to try these out. All right, let's start. Okay guys, so I want to start off by pointing out how this metal suspension headband really does a good job of balancing out the overall weight evenly. And these are not as heavy as, let's say, Odyssey LCD, but you will feel some weight on the ear cups especially. But the cool thing about these earphones is that the outer layer of the ear cups are made out of high protein leather, but inside is lined up with the fabric, so it will definitely keep your ears very breezy and sweat-free. One last thing is that I do also like the fact that you can swivel the ear cups around, not even just forward, but completely flat on either side, which will aid the overall comfort when you wear these. Yeah, so overall, I think it was very comfortable and it does give you this firm, secure feeling when it sits on your head. Guys, so I was actually really surprised to see how the low end on these were so juicy, warm, and thick, because I tend to not get my hopes up when it comes to testing the low end. So yeah, I was very satisfied. And another thing is that the transient bass response is relatively speedy, but it's not necessarily very tight. So overall, it will give you this voluptuous feel. And the bass punch is there is definitely a strong bass punch, but it's more of a rounded punch than a speedy jab. So this bass profile really works with, I think, in my personal opinion, rock. Also because it is so meaty and full. So bottom line, if you guys really like juicy, warm, thick bass profile, I think you will definitely be satisfied. The part that I noticed the most about the mid-range was the balance. The low mids and the high mids are very evenly present, and the vocals really never sit so forward in the mix artificially. And this overall really results giving you more of a natural sounds profile, especially with instrumentation heavy tracks. They sounded really good. And another thing is that overall, I think the presentation was a little bit full, fatter, and rounder, especially softer feel around the edges. Although there is more of a weight in lower frequencies, you guys will definitely still find enough power and presence in the highs. There necessarily isn't a sparkly sound, but overall the sound is very thick and juicy, and it flows very well. And I did especially like the female vocals because it sounded so velvety, fluid, and again, thick. Okay, so I really enjoyed the imaging on the soundstage of these, because although the soundstage isn't necessarily really expansive, I did feel like the far away, distantly placed instruments still maintain their flavor. And in terms of the gradation of depth and height, it really gave off the overall holographic feel because the gradation was very nuanced and clear. My final thoughts. Okay, I think for under $400, I think these headphones are really well balanced and well rounded headphones in general. And if you guys are a fan of ample body and a full thick sound profile, these will definitely satisfy you. So I would definitely recommend it. Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my review and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!